Recently, I have dyed some paper with avocado skins and avocado seed. And there's lots of videos on how to do that, so I'll let y'all find them. But the thing I wanted to show you that I'm doing is I'm drying the paper in the microwave. I've put some paper in the microwave and then I put it on a minute and then I let the air come out, because when you're steaming something in the microwave, if you don't stop intermittently, then it gets too hot in there and bad things happen. So anyway, it's almost done, so I'm gonna set it for another minute. Sorry about my messy kitchen. We try, but with 9 people, it still gets messy. We're constantly having to wipe things and wipe things, and wash things and wash things. I decided to do this paper today since I wasn't feeling very well, and it doesn't take a lot of effort to dye paper. Y'all counting down the seconds? 15, 14, 13. My son he's waiting to use the microwave. Mommy's taking over the whole microwave and it's horrible. And it's about done, so I'm going to go ahead and take it out so he can use it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. It makes nice crinkly paper just like the oven. See you later.